Have you opened Reddit and noticed that some posts, comments, or even full communities are suddenly hidden? Maybe Reddit is showing messages like content unavailable, hidden due to restrictions, or you're just seeing blank spaces where posts should be. I'll show you how to fix that. So, fix number one, check if NSFW content is disabled. So, click on your profile at the top right, then go to settings, tap on your profile. So, scroll down until you find the section called NSFW. So, if you see NSFW right here, make sure it's enabled. So, just toggle it on, just like that. Also, in followers, make sure you turn this on. Or you can also click on content and activity, click on the drop down arrow, and tap on show all right here. And you can scroll up a bit and look for mark as mature. So after that, go back and refresh Reddit. A lot of hidden posts usually come back instantly after changing this. Fix number two, Reddit may be filtering content based on your account. So sometimes Reddit automatically hides certain comments or posts if your account is new, restricted, underage, or not fully verified. So this happens a lot with accounts that haven't confirmed email yet. So tap your profile and go to settings. So go to settings and go to account. Look for your email and check if your email is verified or need verification. Also, make sure your birth date or age settings are correct if Reddit asks for that during sign up. Fix number three is community or user restrictions. So sometimes the issue is not your app. The subreddit itself may have hidden the content. So private communities, quarantine communities, deleted posts, block users, or moderator, remove comments can all appear as hidden or unavailable. So to test this, try opening the same Reddit post in your browser or from another account. If it still says unavailable, then the content is likely restricted by Reddit or by the subreddit moderators. So in that case, there's nothing wrong with your device. It's simply permission based hiding. Now, fix number four is to clear Reddit cache. So to do that, click on this icon that says view site information and tap on cookies and site data. Tap on manage on device site data and delete Reddit in here. So click the delete icon and tap on done. Reload the page and see if that works. You can also click on the three dots at the top right and go to settings. Then go to privacy and security. Go to delete browsing data. Choose cookies and other site data and cache images and files. Then tap on delete data. Then go back to Reddit, refresh it, and see if that works. Now, fix number five is to turn off VPN or network filters. So, some VPNs, DNS filters, ad blockers, or private browsing settings can stop Reddit media and hidden threads from loading. So, try switching to a normal mobile data connection or regular Wi Fi. Then, temporarily disable VPN if you use one. Open Reddit again and see if the content appears. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.